We looked into different products, and we looked at it for over the years because we had never had a fabrication shop before. So we looked into it for years, and then we went to a lot of people were very nice to open up their shops to us. And we went in to talk to them back, and we went through the whole process over a period of a couple of years, and we finally got ready to purchase. And they recommended it highly, and that's where we decided to focus more of our research on that. And we ended up, that's where we went with the Breton. And we had a great relationship, a great experience. I had looked at two other different manufacturers, but then from the experience that the other Breton people had, that swayed us to that decision.
I felt like they really listened to your needs too. They kind of listen to what you're looking for and the type of business you do, and they try to focus towards that. And they listen to, instead of pushing products on you that just don't work for you, they listen to what you want and gear towards. They try to give you suggestions. All right, well, you want to do this, work with this a little bit more, and they gave you more. Instead of forcing things down your throat, they listen to what you're looking for, and it's good to have a company that does that for you.
Well, since this is a new experience for us and it's a beginning point, we've spent the last 3 months basically learning how to use the equipment. We've fabricated projects that we've had, which our key with doing it is turnaround time, because we're for customer service and we need control. So this helps us with that a lot. We've also been experimenting a lot because we've had the time, and here again, Breton's been very helpful with us as far as our service goes and questions that we've had. The programmers that we've had, call up Breton, they're very helpful with helping us out. We've been able to turn things around very quickly, and also a learning experience with just experimenting and doing our research and development, so to speak.
Yeah.
As far as engraving, as far as fancy cuts, because anybody can do a square edge. We're looking to use the machine for what the machine is made for. So we're looking for a little bit more custom work out of the machine, which will, in the end, put us a leg up on our competition. And now having the Breton equipment does, it expands our horizons on our company, that we can do a lot more for our customers that our competition can't. Or they can, but they can do it by hand, which will take them 3 times as long. And with having the equipment that we purchased, we'll make it much quicker, more cost effective, and service the customer better.
The guys in the shop love the equipment. It's the stuff that the machines can do are endless, and from the saw operators to the guys that do the CNC stuff, it's just, and they're constantly learning new things, and they love that. So it helps. It keeps them motivated because they're constantly learning new things, they're trying new things out, they can mess around and learn things that they've never done before, and it keeps them, like keeps everybody really happy, the morale, everybody's in good spirits and stuff, and they enjoy learning new things. It's been a good experience. It's one of the better built machines that we've seen out of all the machines we looked at, and it runs the way it should. It's like a fine-tuned machine. It's an excellent piece of equipment. Customer service is a big thing, especially when you're buying new equipment and you're spending a lot of money on something. And the customer service that they provide for you from start to finish is just phenomenal. It's probably some of the best customer service we've ever had.
When I go for my next machines, I'm definitely going to Breton without a doubt, because I don't want any problems. I want solutions, and I'm looking for the best.